All right, guys, so what I'm doing, I just cleaned up my clutch for the second gear. As you can see right here, it's just very oily and dirty. So the truck wasn't shifting for me on our little tune-up passes, so I just decided to clean it up. And I think we should be all good to go. So let's start this freaking video. How about that? Yeah, perfect. Deep. Alright guys, so we ran out of battery, but that's okay. We got this thing pretty filthy. I think it's time to give it a wash. What do you say, Ducky? Alright everyone, so I'm gonna give it a little cleanup. We are at the car wash. So let's see what this thing can do. We got 4 minutes, so let's get right to it. Low pressure, yeah. Or screw it, do high pressure. Okay. I don't know, or if it's more expensive.
I'd say it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Get underneath this. Alright guys, so we're back in the shop. I got the LST right here, and it's not looking too good. Probably could use some soap, but I cheaped out and didn't buy it. But I gotta go ahead and take this engine out anyway. Had a small air leak, but it was annoying enough to where it was shutting off and turning back on. Shutting off and getting lean, that's what I meant to say. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take the engine apart, clean up the block, check on the O-rings, as this thing was sitting for probably a month, and it wasn't doing that before. But I checked my tank, the tank seals are all good. This is a patch I put in, and I just silicone the heck out of it, and it seems to work. Lid seal's all good, even though it sat for a little bit. I think the carburetor's decent. I'd say the carburetor should be good too. It just might have been a little bit of fuel in the crankcase, so it probably created a little air leak. But I'd just like to thank you guys for watching. It's getting late right now. It's almost 10 o'clock. I've been working on this thing way too long. But comment down below if you want to see more of this onboard footage with this camera right here. For those who know, I've had this camera for way too long, and I finally decided to make a video with it. And this is probably a $40 GoPro camera when I bought it, so it's really cheap and Chinese. Kind of feels flimsy, but the camera really impressed me today, so I'm gonna keep it going. Might as well. And I actually say the battery life's really good on it too. For the whole 3 hours that we were out today, you know, the battery lasted. I actually left this thing running in my pocket for like a whole 12 minutes, so that's fun. But anyway, guys, I gotta go ahead and keep editing, so I can't be yapping the whole night. But thank you for liking and subbing and watching the video. And of course, stay tuned for more of the LST. This thing seems to be in pretty good shape. The whole entire last year was pretty low maintenance. I barely worked on this thing, so hopefully this year is the same way. Not like the year before where, you know, that happened. But guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. So thank you so much for watching. And yeah, time for me to get to work. Later.